So check this out. This really cool effect only took 2 minutes to do using the Insta360 X3. It's called Skyswap, and there's a bunch of different Skyswaps to choose from. So let me just show you how easy this is to do.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is the Insta360 X3, an amazing 360-degree camera, but also so much more. If you're new here, don't be a stranger and click that subscribe button, and I'll put links to everything and more information down in the description, plus a surprise link. So first things first, all you have to do is just hold the Insta360 out and hit record, and just pretend like there's something different happening in the sky. That's it. That's all you have to do. And then we connect to the app on your phone. You go over to stories and you find Skyswap and you say, use this theme. You'll pick the clip that you want to choose from and it will analyze it. And then you can pick from the many Skyswap effects. You just click on them and see how it looks. They're also adding new ones all the time, which is really cool. You can either customize the view yourself or just let the AI pick it for you. I also love how it adds lighting color to the ground. Like, that's a really nice touch. You can pick landscape or portrait, and really that's it. Now it's ready to share on your social medias and you can feel all the likes come in on your post. Like, that's important. Oh, hey, by the way, can you hit that like button for me? Thanks. So yeah, it's that easy, and the X3 is absolutely one of my favorite cameras to play with. It is just so much fun. There are so many amazing features and it's just awesome quality. So I'm a huge fan and I'll have more videos coming out soon. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.